sit back on my thing, and if they, I feel like you probably sitting back too, you probably sitting back too. If they approach, then I'll be respectful, yeah, 100%. But no way am I able to. Villa is about to get in. Those two new girls means the stress is about to ramp up a lot.
Now.
Aggressive.
Try fast. The meticulous. Uncompromising. Perfectionists. Seeking. Those who aren't done making. I know I do it all again. Must synergize.
With two girls participating in the villa, Weston welcomes them with a game whose name I won't mention at 8 p.m. But Weston...
You gotta pick out the person under that. Get someone that's not your partner. I just got terrified. Alright, wait, this is
And then you go Kristen. She suck at it, and that's fine.
Kiss the tallest person in the villa. Zach, let's do this. Back it up.